All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4. Today we got a few exterior mods as well as what's going on behind me here. So just to cover the exterior mods, we got a nice carbon fiber lip we're going to be putting on. This is a two-piece design. I went with a bit of a cheaper one because these break all the time and the roads are super crappy where I'm from. So we're going to get those put on today. Along with those, we have some smoked sequential turn signals that replace the OEM turn signals in your mirror caps. So these actually have the cool animation where they go left to right, and they allow us to actually have a smoked look rather than the clear stock ones. So we're going to get those put on as well. And then what's going on behind me, you can see I have my laptop perched up here. We're actually installing a new iDrive upgrade so that I can get CarPlay. Mine didn't come with it. So I have easy beamer coding remoted in my laptop right now, and they're just programming the car for me so that I can have that CarPlay functionality. So before further ado, we're just going to jump right into these exterior mods, and I'll show you what the finished product looked like inside. Good. In order to do the mirror cap turn signals, basically all you have to do is remove the back mirror cap as well as the actual glass part of the mirror itself. So I just removed that with a pry tool, and then the back part of the mirror actually just unclips from the 3 clipping points on the inside of the mirror. So I just did that and then undid some T10 screws, which allowed me to actually pull the bottom part of the mirror off and slide the sequential turn signal out. So that's what I'm doing in these clips. And as you can see, it turned out pretty good. I'll show kind of a clip of it actually in action later on. For the actual front bumper lip, I did forget to record this part, but basically all I did was screw the lip into the bottom of the bumper with some self-tapping screws, and that had it hold nice and tight to the bottom of the bumper. And the final result actually came out pretty good. Obviously, this, like I said, this is a 2-piece design and it was pretty inexpensive. So this is the reason I went with that, because obviously when the roads are as crappy as they are here, you're going to break your front lip a lot. So for the price, it actually ended up looking pretty nice. So enjoy just a quick montage of how everything looks finished on the car. Before we move into the CarPlay segment of the video, I did just want to let you guys know real quick, I did get some stickers made up for the channel. I have both black and white, so if you're interested, just let me know in the comments and we can figure out how to get some out to you just to support the channel a little bit. So just want to let you guys know about that. For the CarPlay part, I actually went with a company. It was called Easy Beamer Coating. I believe I mentioned that in the intro. And basically what they did was upgrade my iDrive version from iDrive 4 to iDrive 6. So I'll put on the screen their website, and I would definitely tell you guys not to hesitate to reach out if you are in a similar situation to me where you're still on iDrive 4 and you don't have CarPlay. And basically what they do is remote into your laptop and install new firmware if you need it. So that's what I did, and you'll see the result. Basically, now I have full screen CarPlay whenever I need it, which is an awesome feature to have in the car.